slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this,
energy waiting to be discovered. Windsor is a city steeped in history, its streets whispering tales of its rich past. From its early days as a French settlement to its pivotal role in the Underground Railroad, walk through the Walkerville district, a heritage conservation area. The legacy of Hiram Walker is evident in the Victorian-era homes. The city boasts a stunning waterfront along the Detroit River. The Riverfront Trail is perfect for a bike ride or stroll. Don't miss the Windsor Sculpture Park, an open-air gallery. Windsor's history and natural beauty create an enriching experience. Windsor's unique location across the river from Detroit creates a fascinating blend of Canadian and American cultures. The city embraces its Canadian identity while celebrating its proximity to its American neighbour. This cultural fusion is evident in everything from the city's culinary scene to its arts and entertainment. You'll hear both English and French spoken in the streets, a testament to Canada's bilingual heritage. Enjoy poutine, a Canadian delicacy, while watching an American baseball game at a local pub. This unique blend of influences creates a vibrant and welcoming atmosphere that is distinctly Windsor. Explore the city's diverse neighbourhoods, each with its own distinct character. Experience the charm of Walkerville with its historic architecture and trendy boutiques. Discover the energy of downtown Windsor, a hub of activity with shops, restaurants, and entertainment venues. The people of Windsor are known for their warmth and hospitality. They are proud to share their city and its unique cultural blend with visitors. This fusion of Canadian and American influences makes Windsor a truly special place to visit. Section 4. Bridging the Gap. The Ambassador's Enduring Legacy. No discussion about Windsor is complete without mentioning the iconic Ambassador Bridge. This engineering marvel, completed in 1929, stands as a symbol of the enduring connection between Windsor and Detroit. The bridge is not just a physical link but a testament to the shared history, culture, and commerce of the two cities. As you drive across the Ambassador Bridge, take a moment to appreciate its grandeur. The bridge has facilitated the movement of people and goods between the two countries for decades, playing a crucial role in the economic prosperity of both cities. But the bridge represents more than just commerce. It's a symbol of friendship and collaboration. Beyond its practical function, the Ambassador Bridge also offers stunning views of both city skylines. At night, the bridge lights up, creating a breathtaking spectacle that illuminates the Detroit River. The Ambassador Bridge is more than just a bridge. It is a symbol of the special relationship between Windsor and Detroit. Windsor After Dark, a tapestry of delights. As the sun sets, Windsor comes alive with a vibrant nightlife. Whether you're looking for a lively pub crawl, a sophisticated evening at the casino, or a delicious meal with a view, Windsor has something for everyone. Start your evening in the heart of downtown with pubs and bars offering live music and craft beers. For glamour, head to Caesars Windsor, a world-class casino with live entertainment. Windsor's culinary scene is diverse, from casual eateries to upscale dining. Sample local favourites like Windsor-style pizza, known for unique toppings and crispy crust. Enjoy waterfront dining with views of the Detroit skyline. As city lights twinkle, savour delectable cuisine and enchanting ambience. Windsor After Dark is a tapestry of delights, blending entertainment, dining and excitement.